Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you how to connect your Namecheap domain to Google Workspace in just 5 minutes. This straightforward guide will walk you through each step with clarity and precision, ensuring you can seamlessly integrate your domain with Google's powerful suite of tools. Let's get started. First, access your Namecheap account by heading over to the Namecheap website. Locate the Account button, typically found in the top right corner of the page, and click it. Enter your login details, carefully typing in your username and password to avoid any delays or complications. Once you've entered your credentials, click the Sign In and Continue button to proceed. After successfully logging into your account, you'll be directed to the Namecheap dashboard, your central hub for managing domains and additional services. Locate and click on the dashboard link to display all your registered domains. Find the domain you'd like to connect to Google Workspace and copy the domain name. You can do this by highlighting the domain name, right-clicking, and selecting Copy. Keep this handy, as you'll need it shortly. Now, switch over to Google Workspace by opening a new tab in your browser and navigating to the Google Workspace homepage. Once there, find your way to the Home section, where you'll manage your organization settings and services. Scroll down until you see the Domains section, usually located towards the bottom of the page. Click on it to open the domain management options. Click on Add a Domain to input and verify your Namecheap domain. You're now prompted to paste the domain name you copied earlier. Ensure you paste it in the exact format as copied, without any additional spaces or characters. After pasting, look for the Add Domain and Start Verification button and click it. This is a crucial step, as it begins the process of linking your domain to Google Workspace. And there you have it. With these simple steps, your Namecheap domain is now connected to Google Workspace. You'll be able to verify your domain and start using all the integrated tools and features that Google Workspace offers. Remember, this process may take a few minutes for the settings to fully propagate across platforms. Thanks for following along. With this newfound knowledge, you're well on your way to harnessing the full power of your online presence. Until next time.